not working. This work because they both have a bad motherboard, and this have a good motherboard of Windows 7. So I decided to switch to the Windows 7 to the green laptop. As you can see, hello everybody, this is Sonic here, and I can show you that my two laptops not working, but except one because it still work. See, when I open up, let me charge it because Jesus Christ, my laptop was freaking hot because I've been left it on like a 1 hour. Especially this because I can feel that. And I can see me in the screen. And let me try this first. See? Watch this. I can hear the fan. But it's not turned on. It's not turned on. See? Listen to this fan. I can hear it. So it's not turned on. It won't turn on. But every time I'm trying to fix it, something weird's got going on with the issues of my laptop. I cannot believe this, bro. Man, this is suck. I cannot even do nothing. I cannot even open up the DVD. Now touching this and this and this and this and all this. Man, this is suck. As long as I wouldn't be not trying to. This laptop has Windows Vista. And let me try that another laptop right there. Let me open this. Wow. There's a very old laptop. And let me see. See guys? Jeez, my laptop's still hot. Anyways, let's see what is going on. What? We're not blinking. Oh man. See? It's not working either. Both of them not working. Because the bad motherboard right inside my laptop of my computer, both of them have most issues because they clearly look the same, but especially this because they clearly look different size and they have the same keyboard. And see, let me try it again and then let me turn on. See, watch this with the screen not coming on. See, it's not working. It's not working anymore. These two not working. I cannot even do nothing either. And no DVD coming out. Man, it suck. And let me try the green laptop because it still work. It's still in good shape. Back in the old days, I was 2007. See? And let's do this. See, it still work. It still work. Because it's in a good shape. It had a good motherboard. So do not buy where it had a bad motherboard. So if I buy this, it still work perfectly good shape. And this got Windows 7 because I switched to hard drive with my green laptop, so I still using them though. So I was planning to get another laptop soon of the HP with the Windows 7. What a beautiful sound. Shoot. Suddenly, it's still working. Hold on. I don't want you to see my password because it just might be going to be crazy. Oh well. Oh yeah, I made that movie back in the old days. See, this one is strong. Unlike these two laptops not working, but except one because it's still working. So I might as well use this laptop from now on. My voice crack. Yeah, I no longer use this laptop and this laptop anymore because it keep going on issues and the screen keep going off for everything. I fix this and this like 20 times and still keep going off. What is wrong with this? You know what? I might as well I use this laptop from now on. So I still using it though. So yeah, I can press this button and this, and I can touch DVD. And the sound though. And this laptop had Windows Vista too. Two of them, but not one. It had Windows 7. Because Windows 7 is better than Vista. Because it can make you do anything, unlike Vista and XP. Because they're just having issues internet. And so that's why I use Windows 7. Because I always want Windows 7, but now, here it is. So I bought this laptop. Since like 2025 on the eBay. Back in the old days, because I bought this because I want the laptop. Like no canoe. So yeah, guys, this is all for today of the videos. So I'll see you guys later. So bye.